Scene script. Ever wondered why creating engaging YouTube videos seems like a Herculean task? Well, that's because it requires a perfect blend of creativity, technology, and the right resources. In today's digital age, numerous websites can aid in this process, making it not only manageable, but also enjoyable. So let's delve into 5 such creative websites that can help transform your YouTube video creation journey. First on our list is Canva, a graphic design platform that allows users to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, and other visual content. Canva's drag-and-drop feature and professional layouts make it user-friendly and ideal for non-designers. With Canva, you can create unique thumbnails, channel art, and even infographics for your videos, giving them a professional and consistent look. Our next stop is Lumen 5, a video creation platform designed for brands and businesses to produce engaging video content for social posts, stories, and ads. Lumen 5 uses artificial intelligence to match the content of your script with relevant images and videos, making your YouTube video creation process simpler and quicker. It also offers a library of copyright-free music tracks to add that extra spark to your videos. Thirdly, we have Storyblocks, a subscription-based resource for downloading stock footage, audio, and images. Storyblocks gives you access to an extensive library of high-quality footage, music, sound effects, and images, thereby providing you with all the resources you need to create captivating YouTube videos. Coming up next is TubeBuddy, a browser extension that integrates directly into YouTube. TubeBuddy offers a myriad of features that help in optimizing your YouTube videos for search. Keyword research, tag suggestions, and SEO recommendations are just a few of the ways TubeBuddy can assist in increasing your video's visibility. Finally, we have Audacity, a free open-source cross-platform audio software that's perfect for content creators who want to record and edit their audio. With Audacity, you can ensure your YouTube videos have crisp, clear, and high-quality sound, taking your content to a whole new level. In summary, Canva helps you design eye-catching thumbnails and graphics, while Lumen 5 simplifies the video creation process with its AI-powered platform. Storyblocks provides a vast library of stock footage, audio, and images to enhance your videos. TubeBuddy aids in optimizing your videos for search, and Audacity ensures your videos have top-notch sound quality. These websites, with their unique features and benefits, can significantly improve your YouTube video creation process. They can make the journey less daunting and more fun, allowing your creativity to truly shine. So the next time you find yourself struggling with creating a YouTube video, remember these 5 creative websites and let them guide you to success.